When I received the photos for this project, I was blown away at the sight of the landscape we had to work with. Massive elevation change, stunning scenery, and rich dark brown soil truly make this place a track builder's dream. Tomas Valenzuela is the park owner and visionary of this project. He had a great idea to build out a dual-purpose park, offering single-track downhill mountain biking and a motocross track. MX Track Builders is heading up phase 2 of this project, which includes the construction of the MX track. The track looks like a lot of fun. We really took advantage of the topography. We cut in a 300-foot uphill start, some big uphills, downhills, and some really fun track features that I think everyone will enjoy. It's been an exciting experience to have built an American-style motocross track here in Chile. The Parque Las Palmas is the real deal, and the riders have something really special here. We hope everyone comes out and enjoys the track.
Parque Las Palmas nace como un sueño, poder tener infraestructura de primer nivel para practicar los deportes que más nos gustan. Es por eso que por el lado de las motos nos contactamos con MX Track Builders para poder tener una pista al estilo americano, combinándolo con la geografía que está inmersa dentro del parque. Quisimos mezclar diseño, fluidez y seguridad en un mismo lugar, que es la nueva pista de motocross que se encuentra en el parque.